What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Scooter, and last time we made a video, y'all know we got the motor and transmission out of the car, and we got all the stuff off the Firewall, and we also got a little bit of the Firewall and primer. So I think we're going to pick up from there, just see if we can get done with the Firewall. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, and comment because it helps me as a smaller channel, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so for the ones that don't know, the Tri-5s, the 55 through 57 Bel Airs, they have the same bolt pattern as an S10. It's a 5x120 or a 5x4.75. So after me and my buddy went all the way to Florida for this car, it was a little bit of a struggle getting it on the trailer. We just had to slide it on the trailer. And I had a sledgehammer just beating the side of the wheels trying to get them to free up and start spinning. But I mean, I think one of them ended up spinning and the rest of them were just sliding. But we ended up getting it on the trailer, getting it home. And after looking at it once we got here, the front wheels were like shoved up into the ball joint in the front, and the rears were pushed all the way up against the leaf springs in the rear. Well, after looking at the wheels, they look like S10 factories, and you know, the offset's wrong on them. So we got a cheap alternative. You know, if I get a nice set of wheels and I want to take them off and run some factories, I just bought these wheels. Guys, if you have a Bel Air project and you need just a nice set of rollers or something, I highly suggest going this way. But you can hop on Amazon. There's a company called Speedway Motors. You can get two 15x7s for the front for like 170 bucks. That's $85 a wheel. Don't go out and spend $200-300 for a set of Steelies, or you know, however much they are. This is just if you're doing a budget build, this is the way to go. I think the rears were 15x8. They was an inch wider, and I think they was like a little over $100 a piece, somewhere around like 115, I think. But yeah, I got both wheels in. I got one in yesterday. I got one in today. Let's go put some jack stands under this car and see how they fit. Alright guys, as y'all can see, the offset on the wheel is wrong, which has got it shoved into the ball joint. Like, it's literally has like a cut spot in the ball joint where the wheel's been rubbing through it. So we got to see how these wheels fit. All right, guys, so I've been trying to get a video up on this car for a few weeks now, but I've been pretty busy. The firewall is cleaned up for the most part, and it's mostly in primer. The two front wheels that came in, they ended up fitting good, clearing the ball joints. I talked with Posey today, Posey's Pro Truck. He's going to get me a couple of trailer tires to put on those wheels. That way I can just roll it around here at the shop much easier. Guys, we got some big things coming for the car. I talked to a guy today. He's going to give me some price on some metal. That way I can get a frame table built. You know, we had talked about putting a motor in this thing, getting it cranked and running, but I really want to see this car laid out. So we're going to be building a frame table, and we're going to be getting the frame up on the table. That way we can do the air ride and the body drop. And plus it'll be easier to work on the car inside the shop. Guys, I was just bragging the other day about 1,800 subscribers, and I'm already at 1,832. And you know, to a bunch of people, that ain't just a whole bunch, but to me, sitting there watching your channel continuously grow, that is, man, it makes me happy. Thank y'all to all the new subscribers. Thank y'all for the views. Talking about the channel, I'll probably be renaming all my social media pretty soon. You know, if I go to a show, I don't want somebody to run up and call me Crew Cabs. That's just, I've always had Crew Cabs as my social media for several years, but my nickname and what everybody calls me here locally is Scooter. So I'll probably, you know, rename it with something. Scooter will be in the name somewhere. But and when I rename it, I'm actually considering doing some hats and shirts. So if that's something you guys are interested in, let me know. Guys, thank you again so much for everything. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all for the views, and I just thank you guys for the support. You know, it's 2024. It's a new year. I hope the channel kicks off and we start getting some good videos, you know, up for you guys. But I appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. Y'all continue to like the videos, share, comment, all that good stuff, because it helps me as a smaller channel. And y'all be sure to hug somebody and tell them you love them. Peace.